Learning disability nursing is one of the most exciting, rewarding and diverse roles you're ever likely to do.
I love working with people with learning disabilities. You learn something new every day.
The learning disabilities nursing is quite different from the other fields of nursing. So the learning disabilities nursing role is about improving and maintaining a person's physical and mental health. It's about reducing barriers to them being able to live independently, and it's also about them leading fulfilling lives.
I've been a learning disability nurse for more than 20 years now, and I still love the job. No 2 days are the same because no two people are the same. People with learning disabilities and their carers are among the funniest, the strongest and the most resilient people that I've ever met, and I still feel passionately about ensuring that these people have the same opportunities in life that everybody else does.
Learning disabilities nursing it's a really important role. It's important to have a specified specialist role catered specifically for people with learning disabilities, as they do have diverse needs. So I think it's really important to be trained to work specifically with people with learning disabilities.
Before studying at Bangor University, I worked in social care, supporting adults with autism and learning disabilities. I believe that studying to be a nurse will enhance my previously learned skills and knowledge and develop into a professional role that's fun and challenging.
Learning disability nursing is about empowering people in the best possible way. It's like the science of kindness, and it's something that's enriched every aspect of my life.
So as a learning disability nurse, it's about evidence-based practice and being focused and being reflective.
We have various specialist roles within our services. This includes complex needs service, our health liaison service where they work within the district general hospitals, and our primary liaison service with the GPs, our community learning disability services that are based across the whole of North Wales, and our inpatient services, alongside our enhanced community residential services.
Individuals that I've worked with, I've enjoyed watching them progress in life. I've enjoyed seeing them move on in life. I've seen them gain employment, and it's been amazing to see how they've fitted into communities, how they've gained voluntary work within the communities. So it's all positive for them in that respect. You know, they had support to do these things. Some of them will go with support to their employment. Some go to day services with or without support, just depending on the abilities of these individuals. Although no 2 days are the same, it's important to remember these are individuals and we treat them as individuals, so every person is different.
I feel like everyone could learn something from people with learning disabilities, such as learning to communicate in different ways. I also think people with learning disabilities can teach others about acceptance and embracing who you are as a person without worrying what other people might think about you. Most importantly, I've learned the value of strong relationships, both personal and professional. Learning disabilities nursing is unique, as you can work with someone throughout their whole life, and knowing you can help to make positive changes in someone's life is such a huge motivator to go to work. I'm really proud to be entering a career with such incredible value, and I wouldn't change it for anything.
It's been the best thing I've done. I feel proud, I feel passionate about it, and what made me want to study at Bangor was that obviously, one, I live close to Bangor, I'm local. Two, they have the gold standard of excellence. All the tutors are very approachable and nothing's too much trouble for them. So this year's been particularly challenging due to the COVID situation, but we've had distance learning, we've carried on with our learning, and that's been brilliant. So for me, Bangor would have always been my first choice.